Choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life.
The secret of success is making your vocation your vacation. Do what you love, and the money will follow. If you do what you love, it is the best way to relax. Find a job you enjoy doing, and you will never have to work a day in your life. Follow your passion, and success will chase you. Work is love made visible. Don't worry about being successful, but work toward being significant, and the success will naturally follow. Happiness comes when your work and words are of benefit to others. Passion is energy. Feel the power that comes from focusing on what excites you. If you are working on something that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. When love and skill work together, expect a masterpiece. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Schweitzer. The only way to do great work is to love what you do.